Hello and welcome to this video. This video talks about what if analysis calculation in smart reporting. I am Abhijit Teli from Smart Reporting Development Team. What if analysis is a type of analysis style in reporting which tend to provide a future forecasting result. This kind of reports or calculations are generally divided into two parts. In first part, we'll evaluate existing historical trend or key data points in the system, and then in second part, system will allow us to modify a couple of key data points at a runtime. It will forecast or it will predict a rough estimate about the future results. Okay, so this kind of reports generally provides a rough estimation, and if you go by the term history repeat itself, then we can predict future at some extent. So let's understand this concept by example. Understanding the concept is most important aspect in this video, because once you understand it, you can apply it for your business use cases. So let's assume an example. I have a remedy system and I have 100 tickets logged. I have 5 service desk agents working on it, and by end of the month they were able to close 60 tickets out of it. So by this calculation I have 60% closure rate, right? So what if I need to improve my system? So let's imagine, what if I add couple of more service desk agent in my organization, then what would be my closure rate? So these kind of questions generally arise in the organization, and what if analysis calculations is generally tend to provide answers or rough estimates for these kind of questions. So this will be the key concept in it. So concept is, gather the key data points from the system, analyze the historical trend, and create a calculation which will allow you to modify key data points, and it will predict the future, right? So in my case, if I modify the service desk agent value in my calculation, it will predict a future at some extent to me what would be my closure rate if I get the same number of tickets in next month, right? So if you talk about smart reporting has a couple of options to achieve such calculations, and in the next demo we'll be using the exact same example. We will fetch 1 year worth of data from the system, we'll create a calculations and we'll see how my historical trend is performing, and then we'll create another calculations which will allow me to modify the key data points in the calculation, and then it will provide a rough estimate about the future forecasting. So in order to achieve this in smart reporting, we need to make use of parameter component. Parameter component is out of the box not available in smart reporting. We need to make that available. We need to enable that in view. So for this example we'll be using incident management view. So we'll quickly add parameter component in incident management view, and then we can proceed further. Okay, so I'm in a smart reporting admin console. Expand view section, expand AR system, search for incident management view. Click on edit. Now go to second step, view fields. We'll first create a specific category for our parameters so that we can quickly recognize those. Create a new category called as parameters. Click on add, save and close. Now in the left side pane, expand calculated fields, expand formula builder, and then you can see the second last option is available, parameter. Now search for parameter field category, and drag parameter into the parameter field category. Provide a name like parameter 1. It can be a generic name. We can modify this name in the report. We'll provide some default value here like 10, and then click on save. Now we'll go to step number 3 and we'll be activating the view. Now our view is ready with parameter component. we can proceed further for report. Here we conclude part 1 of this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching.